The Train of Life by Edmund Gosse. Read for LibriVox.org by Marianne Spiegel. We traced the bleak ridge, to and fro, grave 40, gay 14, while yellow larks in heaven's blue glow like laughing stars were seen, and rose-tipped larches, fringed below, shone fabulously green. And as I watched my restless son leap over gorse and briar, and felt his golden nature run with April sap and fire, methought another mad pate spun beside another sire. Sudden, the 30 years slip by, shot like a curtain's rings. My father treads the ridge, and I the boy that leaps and flings, while eyes that in the churchyard lie seem smiling, tenderest things.